Welcome to Gen Quiz, General Knowledge, English and Numerical Quiz. Idiomatic expressions. There are 20 questions to answer. You have 10 seconds for each question. You must choose the correct answer before time runs out. You can share your score in the comments section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're ready, let's get started. The proof is in the blank, meaning the actual results or experience show the true value or quality of something. Answer B. Pudding. Swan blank, meaning a final act or performance before retirement or death. Answer B. Song. Looking for a needle in a blank, meaning searching for something that is very hard to find. Answer B. Haystack. Tunnel blank, meaning a narrow or limited perspective focused only on one goal or outcome without considering other possibilities. Answer A. Vision. Batten down the blank, meaning to prepare for a challenging or difficult situation. Answer A. Hatches. There's no cow on the blank, meaning there's no cause for concern. Everything is fine. Answer C. Ice. Blank court, meaning a court or tribunal that disregards standard legal principles and procedures, often with a biased or unfair outcome. Answer D. Kangaroo. Wolf in sheep's blank, meaning someone who appears harmless but is actually dangerous. Answer C. Clothing. Give the cold blank, meaning to ignore someone deliberately. Answer A. Shoulder. Break the blank, meaning to cost too much money or to spend more than one can afford. Answer A. Bank. Pour oil on troubled blank, meaning to calm a difficult or tense situation. Answer D. Waters. Cut the Gordian blank, meaning to solve a difficult problem in a quick and decisive way. Answer B. Knot. Take the gilt off the blank, meaning to remove the shine or excitement from something. Answer A. Gingerbread. Can't see the forest for the blank, meaning to focus too much on small details and miss the big picture. Answer C. Trees. 800-pound blank, meaning a powerful person or thing that is hard to ignore. Answer D. Gorilla. Salt of the blank, meaning a very good and honest person. Answer B. Earth. Keep a stiff upper blank, meaning to remain calm and resolute in the face of adversity. Answer C. Lip. Cry blank, meaning to raise a false alarm. Answer D. Wolf. Excuse my blank, meaning apologizing for swearing. Answer B. French. Throw down the blank, meaning to issue a challenge. Answer B. Gauntlet. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.